Good morning, students. Today we will start 3.2 of computers. Session 1, Basic Components of Computer System. What is the meaning of basic components of computer? बच्चे basic components of computer like mouse, monitor, keyboard, system cabinet. These all are the basic components of computer. System cabinet means CPU. Now, we will get down to studying the computer system. A computer system basically comprises of systems. These systems act in unison to make the computer work and do its tricks. In a typical computer, there are four important devices. These are monitor, mouse, keyboard, and system cabinet. Now, these devices are further categorized as input devices, mouse and keyboard, output devices, monitor. In these devices, बच्चे mouse and keyboard both are input devices and monitor is the output devices, and processing devices CPU, because CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU inside the system cabinet, they are named so because number 1, mouse and keyboard take inputs from the external world. Number 2, monitor provides output of the processes of for viewing. Number 3, CPU inside the system cabinet does the mixing and matching, that is processing of the formatting input data. Now number 2, session 2, hardware and software. Bachcho, what is the meaning of hardware? Hardware is a physical components of computer which can be touched by the human beings, that is called hardware. Now, all the tangible parts of computer system, no matter how small or big, okay, no matter it's how small or big, are parts of the hardware. Clearly, a machine like a computer has systems within it and they are part of the hardware. Thus, mouse, monitor, system cabinet, its subsystems like motherboard, network card, sound card and keyboard or are all hardware because we can touch these all things. There are other examples of hardware like printer, joystick, plotter, speakers, etc. We will not describe these devices right now, but they extend the capability of the computer by attaching with the computer. Now software. Firstly done hardware. Now what is software? Software is a more complex entity to describe too. बच्चे we can't touch software. This does not have a physical existence like the hardware devices do. These are the programs. Software are the programs. These are the programs and processes in existence in the system of computer. If you don't understand what software is, think of the thoughts and the memory in your brain. These cannot be touched and felt but do have an existence. Similarly, software in the computer system has existence.